Hello viewers and welcome to HTML course series. We learned some basic tags in our previous videos and now we have good idea how to write HTML code. Now in this part we will learn how to put comments in HTML file. I have simple HTML file with heading and paragraph tags that I'm going to use in this tutorial, and this code going to generate an output like this in the browser, right? So HTML is a tag based language, and for writing comments so we have a special tag. Let me write it first and then we are going to discuss the properties. So this is basically a comment tag. It has an opening and closing, and everything that you insert between the double dash sequence considered as comment. Okay, so it's gonna be the part of your code but not the web content. For example, I can write here, this is main heading, right? So this comment is the part of the code. It's not going to show in the browser. Let's save the file and refresh the browser. So the comment is not here, but if you inspect source code, then you can read the comment. For example, and here you see the comment is just the part of your code, right? Let's take a closer look at the syntax. This exclamation mark appears in the start tag only, but not in the end tag. Okay, and if you want to write multiple lines, then you can just extend this area. For example, we can write a comment here, and now you can just extend this area. You can now write multiple lines here, right? One more thing is that the space is not allowed in the syntax. For example, if I put a space between the bracket and the exclamation mark, it won't work. And it won't work either if you put space between the dashes. Okay, so space is not allowed, and in HTML you cannot write a comment inside another comment. For example, if I write another comment inside the outer one, so this is not allowed. It's not gonna work, right? The comments are used to document the code, define sections, leave notes, reminder, etc., etc. But they are also great for debugging HTML code, and it's a very common practice that we comment out a section of a code to search for errors. For example, we can comment out this paragraph using comment tag. So we just need to write this paragraph inside the comment tag, right? Now this paragraph is out. Now if you're using VS Code, then you can comment and uncomment a line or a section of code really fast because there are some shortcuts. Now let's suppose I want to comment out this line. So place the cursor at the beginning of the line, then hold Control key down and then press and release K and then press and release C. The line is commented out. It's very simple. And if you want to comment out a section like this paragraph, the whole paragraph, then make a selection first and then repeat the same process. Hold the Control key down, press and release K key on your keyboard, and then press and release C. Okay, so this whole portion is out now. Now if you want to uncomment this section, okay, so you first need to make a selection and then you will just replace C with U. For example, hold the Control key down, then press and release K and then press and release U. Okay, these keys are really helpful. That was all about the comments in HTML. I'll see you in the next video. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.